Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to see how to make addition in Python. So before going to video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So if you have any doubts, comment in comment section. I will try to give and reply. So let's start our video. So guys, this is an infosys which we are going to make Python project. So please make sure you have a nice IDE to make program successful. So let's write a program now. So first we need to take in some integers which we are giving as an input. So first let's give an input. So I'm taking a as an variable, so and I'm giving it value as an input. So int, sorry, so we are giving input and I'm closing brackets. Okay, and next, and I'm taking another input. So I'm taking another input as b and I'm doing equal to int and input. Okay, so now we have to add the inputs which are called a and b. So we have to print that in our program run. So we have to print that one. So we just run the print program. So just we have to do print and we should have to add the a and b, so which we are giving as an input. So let's add a and b in the middle of these brackets. So let's take a and add b. So this is a program for adding an integers in Python program. So I hope you understand this one. So let's run this program. So I'm running this one. So I'm running this one. I'm giving an a equal to it's 2 and another b equal to 3. So see, we got output as 5. 2 plus 3 5. So it's confirmed. But we have to make this program more efficient. So we have to give the names for this one. So let's see, just click here. Okay, enter, and I'm giving here print, enter, first number. Okay, and don't forget to keep this in inverted commas. So I'm keeping inverted commas to this one. See, and I'm taking comma and equal to and another inverted commas. See, and it just copy this one and paste it middle of the b. So I'm copying this and pasting here, but I'm changing here first as second. Sorry, second. See, now, and I'm giving output as also more efficient. So I'm another printing here. Just here I'm giving this value like this. So see, answer, sorry, I'm giving inverted commas, answer equal to, and close inverted commas and keep comma for the end. So just see, I'm going to run this program, run main, and see, it asking a first number and I am giving it as 1. Okay, and I am entering second number as also 1. See, now answer equal to 2. See, I hope you understand this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.